facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility. Behavioral modification. It will be fun. Fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot. Whew, masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
It's okay. See? Just me. Rivet? Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should... Thank you.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Clark, will be your host. With me, Stephen Clark. And Rusty Page.
Wow! I haven't seen these guys in ages.
Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
All starting on planet Bell. The restless tinkerer, hungry for adventure. That night, Clank ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the infected war.
Sure pulled out all the stops.
Our heroes will clear this festive barricade. Who can forget the far invasive Turwalk? sharpshooting skills. Well, once he grabs some ammo, of course. Last, the Hall of Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Whoa! Yep! Real bullets! Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Oh dear! Activating Magna Boots! So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... oh, Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Robobots! Attack!
More goons incoming.
Let's get that sweet bounty!
More goons incoming.
There he is! Let's get that sweet bounty cash!
I've seen worse! too bad.
Something on? And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Oh, pal, what? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
To get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Turn yourself in!
You're still here? Of course you are! Why wouldn't you be?
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.